Have you ever pondered about the future of artificial intelligence? How it will revolutionize our world? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is more than just a buzzword. It's an intricate fusion of computer science, mathematics, and human-like reasoning that's been steadily evolving since the mid-20th century. In the early days, AI was a concept relegated to the realm of science fiction, but fast forward to the present, and it's an integral part of our everyday lives, from smart home devices to self-driving cars. As AI continues to evolve, it's permeating every sector of society, transforming how we work, learn, and even play. It's enhancing healthcare, revolutionizing finance, and even changing the face of entertainment. But this is just the beginning. The potential of AI is vast and largely untapped, and we're only just scratching the surface. As we dive deeper into the realm of AI, we encounter an intriguing player, Google's DeepMind. Google's DeepMind, a name synonymous with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, didn't just appear overnight. It's a story of vision, innovation, and determination. DeepMind was initially conceived in London, back in 2010 by a trio of visionaries, Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Suleyman. The goal was clear yet audacious, to solve intelligence and then use that solution to solve everything else. This was not merely about creating machines that could mimic human intelligence, it was about creating a system that could surpass it. The road to success was filled with challenges and uncertainties. It was a journey of trial and error, marked by relentless experimentation. And the world began to take notice. In 2014, Google, a company that needs no introduction, acquired DeepMind for a staggering sum of around $500 million. Google saw the potential of DeepMind, recognizing its ability to revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence. And revolutionize it did. The world watched in awe as DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated the world champion Go player in 2016, something previously thought impossible for an AI. This marked a significant milestone in the field of AI, proving that machines could indeed learn and adapt, outperforming humans in complex tasks. But DeepMind didn't stop there. It continued to push the boundaries of what was possible, developing more sophisticated models and algorithms, breaking new ground in areas like healthcare, energy, and science. Its AI has been used to predict protein structures, something that could revolutionize drug discovery, and to optimize energy usage, reducing the energy needed for cooling Google's data centers by 40%. DeepMind is not just about creating smart machines, it's about using these machines to make the world a better place. It's about harnessing the power of AI to solve some of the most challenging problems we face today. DeepMind's latest venture is something that may change the landscape of AI as we know it. AlphaGeometry. Scene script. AlphaGeometry, a name that might sound like a high school math class, is actually a game changer in the world of AI. Born under the roof of Google's DeepMind, AlphaGeometry is no ordinary AI system. It's a revolutionary piece of technology that's been painstakingly developed to redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Its purpose? To solve complex problems that were once thought unsolvable, to learn and adapt in ways we've never seen before. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, AlphaGeometry stands out like a beacon. Unlike traditional AI systems that are designed to perform specific tasks, AlphaGeometry is a general-purpose system. It's been built to understand, learn, and solve a broad range of problems. It's essentially an AI polymath, a master of many trades. But the real beauty of AlphaGeometry lies in its ability to learn. It doesn't just process information, it absorbs it. It's like a sponge, soaking up knowledge from various sources, constantly evolving and improving. And it's not just limited to learning from data. AlphaGeometry can learn from experience, just like us humans. It's a game-changing blend of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now you might be wondering, what's the potential impact of AlphaGeometry on the future of AI? Well, it's enormous. Think about it. An AI system that can learn, adapt, and solve a broad range of problems could revolutionize industries across the board. From healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment, the possibilities are virtually endless. But creating AlphaGeometry wasn't a solo venture. It was a collaborative effort, a strategic alliance that brought together two giants of the tech world. On one side, Google's DeepMind, a pioneer in artificial intelligence. On the other side, Sam Altman's billion-dollar chip factory, a powerhouse in chip manufacturing. The creation of AlphaGeometry was made possible by a strategic alliance with Sam Altman's billion-dollar chip factory. And with this alliance, the future of AI has never looked brighter. Sam Altman's billion-dollar chip factory, a name that signifies the magnitude of this venture, played a crucial role in AlphaGeometry's creation. This technological colossus provided the hardware backbone for DeepMind's innovative AI system. It's no overstatement to say that without the advanced chips produced by Altman's factory, AlphaGeometry's intricate algorithms and high-speed computations might have remained mere theories. The chip factory didn't just provide the necessary hardware, it also fostered an environment of collaboration and innovation where brilliant minds could push the boundaries of what's possible in artificial intelligence. This synergy between hardware and software, between Altman's chip factory and Google's DeepMind, is a testament to the power of collaboration in propelling technological advancement. Looking ahead, this partnership is set to shape the future of AI. With Altman's chips and DeepMind's AI expertise, we're on the precipice of a new era in artificial intelligence. The fusion of DeepMind's AI expertise and Altman's chip factory may just be the catalyst needed to propel AI into its golden age. The road to AI's future is a thrilling one, filled with breakthroughs and innovations. We've journeyed through the evolution of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings to its present state of sophistication and beyond. We've delved into Google's DeepMind, an exceptional tool that has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. We've seen it evolve, grow, and give birth to AlphaGeometry, a groundbreaking new system that's set to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence. And let's not forget the role of Sam Altman's billion-dollar chip factory. This mammoth venture is not just about producing chips, it's about shaping the future of AI technology, providing the hardware that will power the next generation of AI systems. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, one thing is certain: AI will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.